All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive leap forward in AI automation. If you've ever tried to get a large language model to write an automation script for you, you already know the deal. The promise is absolutely incredible, but the actual execution, it usually falls totally flat. Well, today, we're looking at how we can finally give our AI assistants the context they actually need to build real functioning automations.
We've got a super packed agenda for this one. We'll start with the AI automation problem, then look at the solution. Enter n8n-MCP. After that, we'll break down how the magic works, check out some real-world superpowers, and finally, cover getting started today. Let's get to it.
Section 1. The AI automation problem.
To kick things off, the developer behind n8n-MCP, Romuald Slonkowski, really hits the nail on the head. He points out that without deep context, even top-tier models like Claude Opus 4 are essentially just guessing at parameters. In the source material, he shows exactly what this looks like. He asks an AI to build a simple workflow to fetch Hacker News articles and dump them into Google Sheets. And sure, the AI whips up the basic structure, but when you actually paste it in and hit run, instant failure. It just doesn't have the up-to-date platform-specific knowledge to make it actually work.
So you end up with this frustrating before and after scenario. The old way? The AI hallucinates node parameters, makes you manually copy and paste totally broken code, and basically just leaves you to clean up the mess. But the new way completely flips the script. It transforms your AI from a guessing chatbot into a context-aware automation engineer. It actually reads the official docs, validates its own parameters, and deploys the working product straight to your instance. No more copy-pasting.
Which brings us to Section 2. Enter n8n-MCP.
For those who might not be familiar, MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is the underlying technology making this possible. It's an open-source framework originally cooked up by Anthropic. You can think of it as a universal translator that hooks your AI assistants directly into your external tools. And it's a real game changer because it's not just about letting the AI read your data, it actually allows the AI to grasp the deep context of your software environment and take real, tangible actions within it.
Now, when you wire this protocol up to n8n, the scale is just staggering. 2,412. That's the exact number of n8n nodes. We're talking 829 core nodes and over 1,500 community nodes that your AI now instantly understands. It gets almost 99% coverage of node properties, complete with detailed schemas, and it's always pulling from the most up-to-date documentation.
But wait, it doesn't stop at just nodes. 2,700. That is the number of pre-built templates the AI suddenly gets access to. This is huge because it means the AI doesn't have to reinvent the wheel every single time. Say you ask it to connect Salesforce to Slack. It can just instantly comb through hundreds of existing templates, find the exact best match, and deploy it for you right then and there.
Moving right along to Section 3. How the magic works.
So how does this actually happen under the hood? Here's the step-by-step of how the AI autonomously prepares, researches, and deploys everything, literally without you touching the keyboard. First, it pings the documentation to discover the right nodes. Second, it fetches the deep context for those specific nodes so it knows exactly how to configure them. Third, and this is key, it validates that configuration against the actual rules of the tool. And finally, once it knows the code is rock solid, it builds and deploys it directly to your n8 instance. I really want to emphasize step 3 because this multi-level validation strategy is absolutely the secret sauce here. It's what ensures the AI catches its own mistakes before you ever have to look at a failed execution. It kicks off with a super fast sub-100 millisecond check just to make sure required fields are there. Then it steps up to a comprehensive runtime validation where, get this, it literally auto-fixes its own errors. Next, it verifies all the connections and variables across the entire workflow. And finally, post-deployment, it can actually test the workflow to guarantee it runs smoothly.
And baked right into the core of this system is a critical directive, the golden rule: never trust defaults. The documentation feeding the AI explicitly points out that default parameters are the #1 culprit behind broken workflows at runtime. Because of this, the AI is specifically trained to explicitly set every single value that controls a node's behavior. It is leaving absolutely nothing to chance.
All right, Section 4, Real-World Superpowers. Let's see what this actually lets you do.
n8n-MCP turns workflow maintenance into an absolute breeze. Instead of forcing the AI to hallucinate and rewrite an entire massive workflow just to tweak one tiny detail, it uses what are called surgical edits. It updates only the specific node you need, which saves a massive amount of AI tokens and time. Then there's autonomous debugging. The AI can literally read your latest failed execution logs and patch the error directly in the instance. Plus, Smart Search lets the AI filter through those 2,700 templates we talked about, sorting by complexity or even target audience to find the perfect starting point.
I have to share this practical example from the source material. Imagine just asking your AI to tidy up your cluttered workspace and it actually does it. The developer had a test instance loaded with 151 messy, completely unorganized workflows spread across multiple pages. He simply asked Claude to organize them by topic. In just 22 minutes, by making 180 autonomous API calls, the AI sorted everything perfectly into designated folders. I mean, that is just total magic.
Okay, quick time out though, because I really have to emphasize this safety warning straight from the source material. Never edit your production workflows directly with AI. Always make a copy, test it in a development environment, and validate the changes yourself. AI is incredibly powerful, yes, but it can still be a bit unpredictable. One bad hallucination could wipe out a critical business process, so for sure, protect your production environment.
And finally, Section 5, Getting Started Today. So, whether you're looking for a zero-friction setup or you want total, absolute control over your infrastructure, there's an option for you. If you want the easy route, there's a hosted version over at dashboard.n8n-MCP.com. It has one-click OAuth, absolutely zero server setup, and gives you 100 free tool calls every single day. On the flip side, if you're dealing with highly sensitive data or just prefer working locally, you can grab the completely free MIT-licensed open-source version. You can spin it up via NPX or Docker in literally minutes, keeping everything 100% private on your own hardware.
And because this runs on the open MCP standard, the flexibility is just awesome. It integrates seamlessly into the tools you're probably already using. You can plug it straight into Claude desktop, development environments like Cursor and Windsurf, terminal tools like Claude Code, or even run it entirely offline with local models using LM Studio. The whole shebang.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this to ponder. We've officially moved past the era of AI spitting out broken copy-paste code. The barrier between your ideas and working validated automation, it basically just vanished. So with your AI now fully equipped with the hands, the deep context, and the knowledge of over 2,000 nodes, what are you going to build first?